Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Render. On a daily time frame chart, recently the price of Render has broken out this down channel, and after the breakout, it could not break out this long-term downtrend and resistance. You can see that we got rejection here, rejection here, and recently it is once again rejected here on 22nd of July 2025. And now we are about to test this long-term support zone. That's out from $3.40 it goes to $2.95. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it is working as a support zone. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. Here we had a fake out and the price and recovered back after the breakout from this channel. And before that, it had been acting as a resistance on here and resistance on here in the month of March 2022 as well. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge down channel that is formed here on the 7 days time frame chart. And by the way, before that, we also broke out this channel. Then we had a massive rally, same as like that. We have formed another huge down channel. And after the breakout from this channel, we can expect another very, very massive rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for LQTY, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this TradingView chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 11th of July 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart of Render. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, we had a short pump, but the price could not break out the resistance of the bigger and longer down channel. And we got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and rejection here as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that since after the month of March 2024, since the first week of March 2024, it is moving inside this channel, the bigger down channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, and here we had a fake out. In fact, the technical target was here for this breakout at the top of the channel. We already hit that target, but re-entered the channel once again. And now, recently, we have broken out another down channel. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can also break out the bigger down channel once again. By the way, here you can see that we have a quite long-term resistance on from $12 to $13, $12.50 to $13.85. That was previously breaking at a point of rejection here. Almost got rejection here as well. And then we got another rejection here in the month of December 2024 as well. And this is the point that is also the target for the breakout from this smaller down channel and for the breakout from this bigger down channel as well. Therefore, now after the breakout from this channel, I'm expecting that soon we may see another powerful attempt to break out this resistance on once again. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.